All right, so I'm going to walk you through every step of the process to setting up a multi-site or just setting up a network or setting up a site on the network. So the first thing you want to do is on GoDaddy, I'm going to start with a brand new domain, and these are the name servers that are set up on my server right now, which are all configured for this purpose. So once you've set up the name servers, the next thing you want to do is you're going to create an add-on domain. So let's take that domain. And then the root's going to be public HTML. And let's create an FTP account. Just pause this for a sec. HTML. Then we're going to add a new site. So here this is just a directory that it's going into. So we're just going to name this sales. Ultimate Sales Solutions. And site added. So let's go and edit the site. So again, we're using this domain. And then we save it. And make sure the settings are the same. You're going to want to go through all of this at some point. And then if you want to add users to the site, you can do so on the left-hand side here, users. Username and email. Another thing too, you can add an existing user that's already on the network from here just by the username, and then make sure you do it as an administrator, or obviously whatever role you want to use. So if we go to the plugin section, here's where you can add and remove plugins, just like a normal WordPress site. If we go on the pro sites here, I'm gonna let you manage sites. And this is where you can upgrade or downgrade sites. So right now at Ultimate Sales, it's still a free site. So right now people have to pay a monthly fee to upgrade, or you can manually extend it permanent. There, so now Ultimate Sales Solutions, let's see if it works. So because Divi is my default theme, that's the one that they're getting. Let's see. So if you go to my networks and then settings, you're gonna get this screen here. And at the very bottom, you can select which theme you want to use as the default theme. So right now we're using Divi. Let's see, what else do you need to know? All this domain mapping and all that, like, you don't need to know any of that. That's already set up. Basically, what I just walked you through is just the process for setting up a new site. So now, let's go play on the new site. The wizard to get the WooCommerce set up. All right, so let's go through WordPress. So like every other site, all posts, you're gonna see a unique way of creating posts in this area. So notice it's all blocks now. So you add your title here. You can select different blocks. Then you get your previews. You can select memberships that you want to use, but you're gonna want to set everything up first. Now everything on the left hand side here is all the memberships and all the plugins that are added. So again, Ultimate Member, you're gonna wanna go through that. Here you can schedule emails and follow-ups. Ultimate Sales Solutions is basically WooCommerce. And again, you're gonna wanna go through, set up everything here in however way you wanna run their system. And here's that bookings plugin that you were talking about. That's all set up. So again, you're gonna have to go through all these settings and set up the calendars. Again, you can add different themes and plugins onto the network. Here's more network settings and iTheme settings. Here's a lot of your security settings, all the pro sites. So in the pro sites, here's where you can handle all the payments and pricing tables. Brand as, so you can brand the dashboard. So again, this is the main admin panel. And then you have this one, that's what the client sees. This is like the full-blown what the client sees. So you have membership, support, email, directories, all the plugin section, galleries, the bookings. WooCommerce has a lot of plugins that I added in there. So like if we go here, now WooCommerce, it renames itself to like the name of the site. So anything starting here as Ultimate Sales Solutions, so like Ultimate Sales Admin, Ultimate Sales Solutions Bookings. Notice it all says that it's done by Ultimate Sales Solutions, which is the site. Most of them do, but you can actually update that throughout. Ultimate Sales Solutions. And all these plugins are all on the left hand side here. Even added like a support system. So people need to add tickets. So pretty much out of the box, this can let you build and manage full-blown websites on WordPress. And all you have to do is go into the main site And when you add new themes, you can either network enable or network disable. So as soon as you network enable a theme, it's available throughout the whole network. Same thing for plugins. You network activate or deactivate a plugin and it's immediately added or taken away from the network. So like want to notice gallery and lightbox. So if there are features or plugins that you don't like on the network, you can easily take them away. And your clients won't be affected by bad plugins, or they're always going to be kept up to date. So look over here, comes right back.